So your challenge this week is taking the main bedroom and the main bathroom and turning it into the ultimate suite.
Yes. All right. Cool.
Last week we lost the kitchen. It still hurts.
Just because we lost one, this is a long game, and we're going for the overall, let's be honest.
And last year's winner didn't win the kitchen, so.
Yeah, exactly.
The battle begins
now!
Run, go run, go!
My favorite part is the running.
The main bedroom has nice size-ish.
Let's try to see if we can get creative. Let's walk in here and look at this.
The main bathroom.
Yikes.
Here's the thing. We can lose a couple of these challenges. The bedroom, it's the most elegant, romantic room in the house. So last week, I'm pretty sure we lost the kitchen because we played it really safe. So this week, I'm pushing my team to take bigger risks design-wise. Before I start talking, what I learned last time is to maybe hear you guys out first, but what were you guys thinking in here?
Ty had some different ideas in the kitchen. We didn't go with all of them. We adopted some of them. In the main, I'm expecting that we will probably do a little bit of the same. We're keeping the shutters. That wall's set up for a bed.
Yeah.
We're closing that door in because we're moving the door over to here.
The door to the bedroom, that makes so much sense.
Yes.
The other thing we could think about, I think we can make something really dramatic here that is stunning. I've got a couple ideas. I'm not gonna bring them up yet. But now let's get to the bathroom because I think this could be the biggest transformation we make in this house. Here's what I was thinking. Open this doorway to have vintage doors, and you can have a tub with even claw feet right there. And then behind the doors, your walk-in shower, plenty of room for a toilet here, and then your vanity's right over there. I think if we make it tight, we can get a lot in this bathroom. I'm getting a lot of blank faces, like a little confusion.
I like the bathtub idea. I'm coming around to it.
Look, it's obvious that Wally and Jacqueline and I all have ideas, and it seems like we've all got different ideas. I'm talking about flipping the bathroom because the shower literally is gonna go over there, and the toilet is literally gonna go over there.
When Ty starts talking about inverting everything, all I see is money bleeding.
It opens the space up in a big way, and the beauty of that is we're gonna have room to put a tub right here. This is the room you've gotta spend your money on. All right, we agree.
Yep, we agree.
Awesome.
I think we're okay on budget at this point, as long as there's no major surprises. I feel pretty good about this.
So we're going to completely rearrange the main bathroom. We'll put a large soaking tub under the window and walk-in shower with vertical stacked glass in the corner. To create a grander entrance, we're going to use double doors that will separate the main bath from the main bedroom. In here, we're going to adjust the layout, closing the door into the living room and making a proper entryway from the hall. We'll put a bed in between those two windows and complete the dramatic headboard that Ty is designing. We lost last week, so we're down by 1. And we need to make sure we get this win this week, so we're using more than a quarter of our total budget for both rooms.
We are gonna make this stunning.
Hey, Jacqueline.
Wally, every time you call me, I get a little nervous. Look at this nice demo job we did.
We did, but our layout doesn't work.
We have an issue. Our layout isn't working with the bathtub and the size,
We are trying to squeeze in a nice size standalone tub.
but it feels a little congested.
Break it to me gently.
Well, we're gonna have to flip some stuff around. I'm playing with some ideas. If we rotate the vanity so that it doesn't take up the entire wall, we would then be able to move the shower, tuck the toilet behind the door for privacy. Not only does this allow for a bigger bathtub, but it means we won't have to drastically alter the plumbing, which will save us a good amount of time and money.
Feeling great about the
Yeah.
plan we have in place right now. I think cost-wise it works, and I think the time saved by not having to move everything.
This is great.
Yes.
Ready to go.
There's still a toilet in here. Maybe we should leave this in here. Okay, let's go.
Hey guys!
Wow!
Yeah!
Is there a castle attached to these?
I like to think when you walk into a bedroom, you should always bring a gift, whether that's yourself or something else. So I come bearing gifts. Bedroom doors going into the ensuite could actually get us a win, which would be really nice. What's more dramatic, doors opening this way or doors opening this way?
In.
It also works that if the toilet's over there. Oh God. Oh God. I'm realizing that the toilet is no longer where the toilet's supposed to be. In fact, the vanity is where the toilet used to be, and the toilet is now alone in the corner. We decided we were gonna flip it. I'm very, very worried because I really think the other layout was working.
There were some structural issues.
Oh. But why did you move the vanity to over here when it was perfect?
You had mentioned you wanted a big tub. And if
underneath the window.
Correct.
And
it is here.
Actually,
it is
your
here.
foot is on top of the drain.
You're on the drain.
So the tub will still be here.
Yes, it will give
it'll
you the
give
view.
you your showpieces.
We thought about this a little bit. We tried to meet you, but this bathroom is just wonky.
No, okay. I see that you can get a double vanity there, so why not? The bathroom has gone through some really new changes, but now I'm realizing sometimes weird changes can actually work to our benefit. By moving everything like you've done, we've created more of a bigger room than it was. That's a great thing. I wasn't sure how I was gonna feel, but I have to say, after seeing the direction they're going now, I feel much better than I did. I think this room is starting to like really start to feel like
Grand.
grand,
Yeah.
which is what we need. Hey guys!
Ooh, look at this.
I found some materials that I think can really change the vibe for the better for the main bedroom. You know, on the headboard wall, right? I realized that I think we have the ability to go one step further to make it even more amazing. Pinions are these long, skinny pine branches that's very popular in South American architecture. I think something like this can seal the deal on a win in a bedroom. It becomes very rustic but elegant.
Yeah. I'm just concerned. We have a lot of stuff going on, and
Okay.
I'm getting worried. Ty's there like, hey guys, I got an idea. And I'm like, yikes. I want the W. I want to go home the champion.
Okay, what I'm trying to tell you is, I think this is how you get the win. It keeps this natural. It works with the doors. Even with your oak flooring, it still works. It keeps it very organic.
My circuit board kind of fries when he comes up with new ideas because they're all DIY, and we don't have time for this.
If we don't win this room because of this, I will rip it off the wall. I'm that confident.
I'll go with it.
Then we're solid. Hello, team. How we doing?
How we doing, Ty?
We're good. So, before we bring in the bed and the headboard, I want to talk about this wall for a second.
Yeah,
So,
the stick headboard wall.
because that wood is really blonde, I think we really need it to contrast. And so what I'm thinking is we need to go a little bit darker right in here. I think having a darker accent wall can really make that wood pop. What do you guys think?
I guess we don't really have a choice because you already committed us. You love doing that to us, don't you? I am not confident in this at all.
I feel good about the bathroom. The bedroom, I'm not sure about, but you know, I'm still feeling pretty confident.
So come on into the main bedroom.
Whoa. Not at all what I was expecting.
That's good to hear.
Yes.
So what you do in the kitchen is one thing, but what you do in the bedroom, let's just say, leaves a very big impression. So, I think we've got a shot. The first thing you'll notice is we moved the door. The entrance used to be in the living room.
Yes, adds so much more privacy.
But let's go back to your initial reaction. You were like, yes.
You know.
Continue.
Both gravitated to the drift bed.
I like this. This is like, it looks cool, but it's also functional.
I don't think they needed to two-tone. I would have just run with that color and I would have wrapped the ceiling. It would feel so warm with all this natural wood if you had that beautiful gray just on all the walls.
I love it. I think it's really cool. It's inviting. It's cozy. I'm loving those doors.
There's a few things in here which I think are great, like focal features, and that's one of them. Although we have a single pot that I probably would have preferred a chandelier.
If you like chandeliers, I think you're gonna love what's on the other side of those doors.
Oh boy.
Let's see it. Oh, I see a chandelier.
Look at that floor. Oh, hey now.
Is that from the...
Yes.
I think it works above the tub.
What about what do you think of the tile and the vertical soldier stacking?
I think it's cool. The
Right?
install
I think the
is
two-tone
decent.
tile I like.
The vanity looks great. Nice big shower with the glass. I really like this. I got nothing bad to say in here.
Really? So I do. I find this is a bit tight.
I'm sorry, if we have a negative booth, if you want to give us those negative comments, just step right in there.
How about, oh, sorry. story. I can't even fit because I have 2 doors opening. This is why it's cramped, because you're trying to use your butts against the glass. It just feels a little tight.
Basically, for the budget, it was easier to move things in this direction than to go completely different than what we were doing.
Well, I guess it's back to the beach for you, and you can send up the next victim.
Let's That's accurate.